we stop to say it's raining cat and dog in English. Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is Wabi, your main English coach. But today I'm gonna teach you a different way you can tell someone it's raining a lot without tell it's raining cat and dog. Are you ready to start with me? But let's go. Première façon, ou capable di yon moun la pli ap tombe en anglais sans que ou pas di it's raining cat and dog, c'est it's drizzling. It's drizzling. Deuxième façon, ou capable di yon moun la pli ap tombe en pile en anglais, c'est it's speeding. It's speeding. Alors, troisième façon, ou capable di yon moun la pli ap tombe en pile en anglais, c'est it's really coming down. It's really coming down there. It's really coming down. Alors, quatrième façon, capable de dire au monde, la pluie a tombé en anglais, c'est it's pouring. It's pouring. But everybody, let's using some other ways to tell someone it's raining a lot in English. But please, don't tell someone again it's raining cat and dog because it seems for the beginners. Let's go to use